Welcome to another day of village cooking. Today, these kids are making something special, crispy, golden chicken, prepared the traditional way. Fresh ingredients, a charcoal cooking, and a whole lot of love. Let's get started. Before any great village meal begins, cleanliness comes first. Here, the kids gently start by washing the chicken, making sure it's fresh and clean. Every bit of dirt is carefully rinsed off, as tradition teaches us that the taste begins with preparation. They go in for a second wash, this time even more thorough. From the wings to the legs, they make sure every part is spotless. This simple but important step is what gives village cooking its special flavor: care, love, and attention to detail. You can already feel the excitement in the air, because something delicious is on the way. Now it's time to cook. The pan is placed gently over the charcoal stove. They pour in the clean chicken, and the sizzle tells you something tasty is coming. A sprinkle of salt, just enough. Then come the seasonings, each one adding its own magic. This is where the real flavor starts to build. Simple ingredients, but when done right, the taste is unforgettable. Now, if you're enjoying this village-style cooking, don't forget to like the video and drop a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Comes the final touch: onions. Freshly peeled and chopped with care, they go straight into the sizzling pot. The aroma rises instantly, mixing with the spices and filling the air. It's a simple step, but it adds that rich village flavor we all love. With everything inside the pot, it's time to stir. Slow and steady, the kids mix the chicken, onions, salt, and seasoning together. Each stir spreads the flavor, making sure every piece soaks in that village goodness. The fire crackles beneath, the aroma grows stronger, and the meal starts to come alive. This is more than just cooking, it's a rhythm, a tradition, a taste of home. A little water is added, just enough to help it cook through. Then, the pot is covered, letting the fire and flavors do their magic. The lid is gently lifted, and there it is, beautifully cooked village chicken, steaming hot and full of flavor. Now, with care and patience, each piece is lifted from the pot and placed onto the tray. Nothing rushed, no detail missed. You can see the tenderness, the seasoning, the love cooked into every bite. Now it's time to take things to the next level: frying. Oil is poured into the pot and left to heat up. Once it's hot and ready, the chicken goes in piece by piece. You can hear the sizzle, smell the richness, and feel the excitement. Each piece is carefully dropped into the bubbling oil, golden perfection in the making. This is where that crispy, mouth-watering finish begins. As the chicken fries, the color slowly changes, from soft and pale to rich, golden brown. That crispy outside, that juicy inside, it's almost ready. The kids watch carefully, knowing the perfect moment to take it out. One by one, the pieces are lifted from the hot oil dripping and golden, and placed neatly on the tray. There's a sense of pride in every move. Because this isn't just food, it's a tradition passed down with every stir and sizzle. The tray fills up, the smell fills the air, and the smiles say it all. This is village-style chicken, cooked with heart. Now it's time to enjoy. They take a bite of the crispy chicken, golden, juicy, and so yummy. You can see the smile, they're loving every bite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty moments.